Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's tax loss harvesting feature. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a really quick one. So the first thing you got to do is to log into your Sofi account, and then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the invest tab. Next, you could select tax loss harvesting from the drop down menu and review your investment portfolio for tax loss harvesting opportunities. Next, Sofi will identify investments with unrealized losses and recommend selling them to offset gains from other investments. And all you gotta do is to select the investment that you want to harvest losses from and confirm the tax loss harvesting transactions, and then Sofi will automatically reinvest the proceeds from the sales into a similar investments, and thereby maintaining your target assets allocation. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use Sofi's tax loss harvesting feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.